Good afternoon, teacher. Uh, this is the activity of the classverse, the question, and my answers. And who is your closest friend and how do you meet? My closest friend is Eduardo. Every afternoon we are together to play soccer, and I meet my friend in Cal City. We go to the shore in the morning with our parents, and every day we wake up early in the morning to go to school. And we are together all the time because I know his girlfriend and he know my girlfriend too, and that's why he is my closest friend. And how many friends do you have in the social network? And I have in my social network about all 200 contacts, friends, and family. The next question is who were your friends when you grew up? And when I was a little baby, my friend was Steven, and my mom worked during the day, and his mom used to take care of me, and we were now together in the same house. Okay. The last question: do you have any friends that have a say in life? Yeah, I have, and and I have two friends, Alan and Vincent brother. They have a say in life. Uh, their parents have a lot of money, and they tend to have better comfort and a better quality of life. They have a cars, they have a bike, many things. They are can to travel to all places in the world when they want, and that is the reason that my brothers have a say in life. Thanks.